Hello, my name's Andy. I was asked to do a very quick video on my new anvil. This is a South German double horn. It's got an extra face on an angle on the far side and an upsetting block on this side as well, as you can see. I had it shipped over from Germany. I can't really see many markings on it. There's a date and a weight mark on this side. I'll put some stills in the video as well. First impressions, it's a pretty good anvil. It's got some good rebound. I'll show you that. I've put a magnet on the front just to kind of deaden it down a bit because it was quite loud. You know. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. So thanks for watching. See you later.